2.2.2. Determine the largest value of n for which Tn is greater than 5/8192. So we have Tn greater than 5/8192. So first we have to determine the equation of the sequence or series, and from question 2 we found that a is equal to 5/8, r is equal to 1/2. So in order to determine an equation of a geometric sequence, we have a formula which is a r to the n minus 1. So a is 5/8 and r is 1/2. So it is 5/8 multiplied by r, which is 1/2 to the power n minus 1. And this, we were told that it is greater than 5/8192. So in order to solve this, we have to divide by 5/8. So we'll divide by 5/8 on both sides. So 5/8 will cancel this one, and here we will be left with 1/2 to the power n minus 1. This one, and this is greater than 5/8192 divided by 5/8 is the same as 5/8192 multiplied by the reciprocal of this, that is 8/5. So this is equal to 5 multiplied by 8, that is 40, and over 8192 multiplied by 5, that is 40,960. You can check with your calculators just to make sure. Let us simplify this. We will divide by 40, and 40 here goes once, and 40 here is 10 to 4. So this is what's going to go there, and we will have 1/10 to 4 here. Alright, let us remove this to get some space. Okay, so we have 1/2 to the power n minus 1. Let's put this in brackets. Greater than 1/1024. Let us change 1/2 to the base 2. 1/2 to the base 2 is 2 to the power -1, and all this is to the power n minus 1 greater than, and also let us change 1/10 to 4 is the same as 1/2 to the power 10. So this is 2 to the power -1 multiplied by n, that is -n. -1 multiplied by -1, so that is +1 greater than, this is the same as 2 to the power -10. So now let us expand this. So this is 2 to the power -n multiplied by 2 to the power 1 greater than 2 to the power -10. And to solve this, we will divide by 2 both sides. So we have 2 to the -n greater than 2 to the power negative 10 divided by 2. So it is 2 to the negative 10 minus 1. So it's 2 to the power negative 11. So now we have this negative n greater than negative 11. So we will divide by negative 1 both sides. And when we divide with the negative 1, the sign changes. It faces that side. So n is less than 11. And therefore, on the question we were told that we have to determine the largest value of n for which Tn is greater than 5 over 8192. So then that makes n equal to 10, because here n is less than 11. And the only obvious answer is 10. So this is how we tackle this question. Alright, next we have question 3.